Yo, what's up everyone? It's Kaveen. Welcome to your road to full-stack development, the ultimate beginner's guide to becoming a web wizard from scratch. We're talking building entire websites, front to back, all by yourself. Yeah, it sounds daunting, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get you there. No more wondering where to start or what to learn next. We're breaking down every step, and I'm giving you the tools and resources to make it happen. So buckle up, grab your favorite energy drink, and let's dive right in. Okay, first things first, what exactly does full stack even mean? Imagine a house, right? You've got the exterior, the part everyone sees, that's your front end. It's all about the look, the feel, the user experience. But then you've got the electrical, the plumbing, the foundation, the stuff that makes it all work behind the scenes. That's your back end. Full stack means you're mastering both. You're not just designing a pretty website, you're building the engine that powers it too. Now before you freak out, it's not as overwhelming as it sounds. In this video I'm going to break down the essential skills you need for both sides of the web development coin. We'll start with the basics, then layer on more complex concepts so you'll have a solid foundation to build upon. Every journey begins with a single step, and in our case, it's the fundamental building blocks of the web: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your website, giving it structure and content. CSS is like your design toolbox. It's how you style your website, add colors, fonts, and make it visually appealing. And then there's JavaScript, the brains of the operation. JavaScript adds interactivity, animations, and makes your website dynamic and engaging. There are tons of free resources online to help you master these core languages. Don't be afraid to experiment, build simple projects, and most importantly, have fun with it. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Now that you've got a handle on the basics, it's time to level up your front-end game with frameworks like React.js. Think of frameworks as pre-built components that streamline your development process. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can use these components to build more complex features faster and more efficiently. React, in particular, is super popular right now. It lets you build dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Think single-page applications, real-time updates, and that smooth, app-like feel that users love. Alright, time to head to the engine room, the back end. This is where you'll learn how to handle data, interact with databases, and build the logic that powers your website. Node.js with Express.js is a great starting point. Node.js lets you run JavaScript on the server side, while Express.js provides a robust framework for building APIs and handling requests. You'll also want to get familiar with databases like MongoDB. This is where you'll store and manage all your website's data, from user information to product catalogs. Remember, a website is more than just a pretty face, it needs a powerful backend to function seamlessly. As you start building more complex projects, version control becomes your best friend. Think of it like a time machine for your code. Git is a popular version control system that lets you track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate with other developers seamlessly. And where does GitHub come in? It's like a cloud-based platform for your Git repositories, allowing you to store, manage, and share your code with the world. Plus, having a solid GitHub profile is a huge plus for any aspiring developer. Here's the fun part: putting all that knowledge into practice. The best way to learn is by doing, so start building real projects. Don't be afraid to start small. Create a to-do list app, build a personal blog, or even try replicating a simple e-commerce website. The key is to challenge yourself, apply what you've learned, and get comfortable with the entire development process, from planning and design to coding and debugging. Plus, having a portfolio of projects is crucial when you're ready to showcase your skills to potential employers. Alright, you're well on your way to becoming a full-stack pro. Now it's time to explore some bonus skills. Learn how to use developer tools to debug your code, optimize performance, and understand how your website behaves under the hood. And once you're ready to share your creations with the world, dive into deployment. Platforms like Vercel, Netlify, or Render make it incredibly easy to deploy your websites and web applications with just a few clicks. Look, becoming a full-stack developer takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of caffeine, There will be moments of frustration, head-scratching bugs, and the urge to throw your computer out the window, but trust me, it's all part of the journey. The key is to stay curious, embrace the learning process, and never stop building. The more you practice, the better you'll become. And remember, the tech community is incredibly supportive, so don't be afraid to ask for help, join online forums, and connect with other developers. So, there you have it, your roadmap to full-stack mastery. I hope this video has given you the clarity, confidence, and motivation to embark on this exciting journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments and happy coding.